Hi everyone. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a shareable board on Monday.com. Perfect for working with clients, partners, or anyone outside your team. Let's get started. Step 1. Go to your workspace. First, log into Monday.com and head to the left sidebar. Choose the workspace where you want to create your board. Shareable boards are great for external collaborators, so pick the project you want to work on. Step 2. Create a new board. Next, click the plus add or new button. A menu will pop up. Select Board. You'll see three options: Main, Private, and Shareable. Choose Shareable Board because this lets you invite people who are not in your account. Step 3. Name your board and set structure. Give your board a name, something clear like Client Project Dashboard or Marketing Tasks. Then choose a template or start from scratch. Your new board will open, ready for you to customize. Step 4. Customize the board. Now add the information you want: groups, tasks, owners, status columns, dates, or files. You can organize everything just like any other Monday.com board. Step 5. Share the board. To invite collaborators, click the Share or Invite button at the top right. Enter the email addresses of your external users. They'll get access only to this board, nothing else in your workspace. You can also set permissions so they can view, edit, or comment. And that's it. You've created a fully shareable board on Monday.com. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick tutorials.